This reminds me of you.
This one here?
Yeah.
These days.
Rebecca and Andrew are busy parents to 2 young boys, and those 2 young boys are about to move into one room. That one room needs a makeover, and I am bringing someone who has experience living with his brother in one bedroom, and that's my brother. Hello.
Hi.
There they are.
How's it going?
So what's the story? They're gonna be sharing a bedroom?
Yeah, we always wanted them to share a bedroom. So this house has a nice big bedroom.
Well, if you want to know what happens when 2 brothers share a bedroom, you're looking at it. Do you have a bedroom upstairs?
Yeah.
Show us.
Show us to your room. Let's check it out.
Let's do it.
See what we're talking about here.
Whoa!
Oh, nice
wow!
room. Nice room, buddy.
This is a big room.
Isn't it?
I wasn't expecting it to be so big.
It's really
I was thinking about the room we grew up in, which was half this size. This is awesome. You guys have so many fun toys in here. You're so lucky.
Yeah, super lucky.
They have a lot of toys in general, so I'd love a place to put them.
All right, sounds good. I think we can take care of this. It's a day's work for sure.
Wow.
But once we get it cleared out, I think I can sort of see the way it's gonna all come together.
Yeah.
All right, are you guys ready to clear this out? Are you ready to get a big boy room with your brother?
Oh,
Yeah? Oh, are you excited? Yeah? Are you gonna help me?
No.
All right, time to get to work.
Looking good.
I guess I don't even need my tools. I didn't realize you had all of yours. I was thinking since the boys are sharing a room, we could at least define their spaces a little bit. So here's a few things I thought of. Obviously their names would work well, just a small craft you guys can work on. What better to not only redesign the rooms and personalize them, but to get the piggy banks going too. Because I know for my kids, the piggy banks really generated a lot of interest in money and saving, and they watch each other do it. And I would suggest, because you guys are so busy, to engage with a CIBC mobile investment consultant. They can come to you, work on your schedule, the kids can see you interacting with them, and they can ask questions. Does that work?
Yeah.
All right, I'll leave you guys to it. You want to do Charlie's bed? I'll do Gabe's bed here.
Sounds good.
I mean, it's gonna take me 5 minutes to put this together, but I gotta give you about half an hour to get yours together, right?
Thanks. See what you're all about.
No problem. Game on.
Scott,
Huh?
need any help over there?
No. If you want to get going, you can split. I thank you for your help.
Thanks, it was great.
It's always good to have my brother
Trip down
around.
memory lane.
Trip down memory lane, and I'll hand it over to the kids.
All right, hope they like it.
Thanks, Andrew. Let's see your new bedroom.
Whoa! What do you think, Charlie?
Like it? Yes.
Yeah, is it awesome? Wow.
Can I try it?
Yeah, go on in and give it a
it.
try, buddy.
I love it.
Does it look good? It's very fresh, it's very clean, it's very
Yes.
natural. And I thought the room had good symmetry with the windows, so we flanked them on either side, and it's very even. They both got the house over their beds, they both got their name, they've got their dresser and the mirror.
Yeah.
Oh, I think there's gonna be a lot of partying in here with those
I think
two.
so, I know.
All right, bye guys.
Can you say bye?
Bye.
Say
See you
thanks
later.
again. Give 5.
All right, guys, take care.
Thanks
Thank
so
you.
much.
Enjoy. Just keep a cool, calm face. Very neutral. Very mysterious. Can you be mysterious? Let's be mysterious.